Hello guys! Hello guys! Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for viewing this video today. I'm just gonna do a little quick install today, and I'm actually gonna install some LED lights. I actually have them here already. Here. It's LED strips, and I've had them for quite some time. It's like it's a little flexible LED strips that light in different colors. Here you have the controller. I've had these for a while, and I never installed them because I didn't know if I wanted to have them or not. But then now I just realized that they have this orange color to them. I don't know if I can maybe. Yeah, I can turn them on. Here. They have this orange color to them, and this orange color is, I think this matches the orange, like in the cluster house and everything, and all the lights inside the BMW, because you actually have like orange lighting in the doors, every button and everything. It's lit up orange, and I think that this orange is perfect for it. So this will be like we will be upgrading the ambient lighting in the car today. Yeah. Hello guys. The whole plan to install these is actually to have one stripe here, one stripe down here, and then I'm gonna try to like wire everything up here and maybe get back here as well. I haven't really decided if I want to have it back here because I never have anyone sitting in the back seat, and well, I actually feel like it's a little bit dumb to have anything in the back. Maybe I'm not really sure, because the door sides back here light up as well. But yeah, I'm not really sure at all if I want to have the stripes only up front or in the back as well. So I guess I'm just gonna have to figure that out if I want to do that or not. Right now I don't think I want it, but we'll see. First, I think I need to take this off and then try to wire everything up here. I think that maybe if I somehow can like pry up the side here, I could possibly try to get this under here and then fish it up in this hole here. I hope that will work, because then it would be really easy to get the cable over to the driver's side, because I already have everything here. And if you didn't know, you actually have like a little you have a cigarette output here, and it sits so well here, because if I wouldn't have this, I would actually need to take power from here. And the problem is that if I were to take power from here, then I would never have I could never close this, because I mean, it looks good to have it closed all the time, and I wouldn't be able to have it closed if I would need to have the power here. And I don't really care, and I don't really want to like get power from any cables from inside here. I just want to have it simple, and yeah, I don't want to go into the cables that's OEM on the car and try to do anything. So I'm just gonna see if we can actually get this up here, through here, and then down, and then we can just install it on the other side. So, after a little bending and just trying to pry this plastic up, I actually got one in. And if I just reached my hand down this hole, I could actually fish it up quite easily. I wasn't actually gonna think that this would work, because it's like it's like a rubber foam or something that's sitting up here. But if you just pry out the plastic hard enough, then you can actually just try to squeeze one of these LED strips through and fish it up here. So now that I've gotten this up here, I don't think it will be any problems to just take it down that hole and fish it out on the driver's side. Yeah, and I think if I want to install the back ones, I'll just take the cable and stuff it through here all the way to the back, and then just install them under the seats here. So I think that's an even quicker install. So I'm just gonna try to feed this through the hole and get it down to the driver's side. So it's like it's a much more tighter piece of plastic on this side, and I think that's giving me a rough time because I feel like the LED strip is trying to get down here, but then it's a piece of plastic here that separates this panel from like under here, and it sits really tight. And I think that's the issue. But maybe I could hold on. Maybe I could just do like this. Because I mean, oh yeah. I actually would say that this was a much better idea. Because now when I have it through here, I could easily just get it down here. Yeah, much easily. Alright, this was so much better, I would say. So I just fed it through to underneath the steering wheel, and now I have it out here. So now I'm just gonna try to feed it through like a ventilation hole, and then try to get it out from here, and then I can easily just install the stripe here. So I mean, that wasn't that bad. Oh. That was not that bad. What I'm trying to do right now is I'm actually trying to get it through here, because I have like an opening here. So I think it will be much easier to get it out here. I think I'm just gonna light. Ah, there we go. Final through. Now, I basically just need to mount this here, and then just put a little bit of tension on the cable, and then it will look great, I hope. And there it sits. Now when that's done, I'm just gonna put a little tension on the cables, pull them back, put back the cover. You know what? No. I have some second thoughts, and I don't want to put any LED stripes on the back, because everything lights up in the front here, and I always have the shares so far back, and I think it would just be weird if it would illuminate, if it would be coming like orange light down here, instead of like the whole front. So I'm not gonna put them back there actually. I've just put them on. I've just put them in nicely, and tucked away all the cables. And I don't even think you can see it actually. Hold on. Ah. You can kind of see that it's like some cables there, but I tried to pry them into the panels, so you can't really tell. You can't really see them so good. So I think that turned out really well. And to turn them on right now, I'm just gonna do like this. But I don't even know if you can see, but it's like they light up really, really light orange. And the reason why I have it so light orange is just because I want it to match the rest of the lights on the car. So here you can actually see a little bit better. Just lights up the footwell enough to match the rest of the lighting everywhere. I did not expect it to be that easily done as it was. Then I have the little control panel here. It was really easily done, and I really think it lights up really good. I mean, you guys probably watching is like, it doesn't even light up, but it lights up enough, and the whole point is not for it to like be screaming. I just want to have it like really nice and easy. I want it to look a little bit like, I just want to have the lighting a little bit like OEM, so it looks like, oh, it's factory basically. Yeah, it's a really simple install to do, but it gives just like, it gives the looks like it's a little bit more modern, I guess you could say. I actually think that this was everything for today. We didn't really have anything more special to do. I just really wanted to have this done, because I wanted to do it for quite some time, but I've never done it. I don't know. I've just had them laying around for like, I think I've had these laying around in the car for 5 months, maybe 6 months. So yeah, now it's done. So yeah, thank you for watching, enjoy life, and don't forget to subscribe.